изучать и удовлетворить.
Тренинговые материалы, а также электронные. Мы вам представим одну сценку из радиопрограммы, как работают, где-то и так далее. Они слушают радио, и он жить лучше. Вот именно в эту сторону мы постарались направить нашу программу, чтобы люди в первую очередь всегда думают о сегодняшнем дне. И мы не видим очень сильных проблем на данный момент, которые ярко выразились.
На этом демонстрация наших видеороликов закончена. Я передаю. Рассказывает о том, что такое кредитное бюро и как оно работает.
And financial sector literacy really is all about household budgeting, making sure that people save enough money for productive use and also for a rainy day. Also, financial literacy is all about understanding what your rights are as a borrower and how to make smart decisions when borrowing money, and also the importance of credit bureaus. A recent survey on financial literacy in Tajikistan had some very interesting results. It showed that 40% of population do not save, they basically spend it on consumption. So whatever money they receive, they spend it on consumption, whilst only 50% of households in Tajikistan save on a regular basis. And what is so nice about this program is that it's accompanied by videos which will be shown on television and also plays which will be aired on radio, so that the information is accessible to as many people as possible in Tajikistan. The World Bank mission is to eradicate extreme poverty and improve the shared prosperity of the bottom 40% of the population. And so the World Bank Group strategy for the next 3-4 years is very much focusing on private sector development, because we strongly believe that having a vibrant private sector is a creator of jobs, which is a great contributor to poverty reduction. We're also focusing very much on access to basic services such as water, health, education, so that poor households have access to these basic services, but they should be of a good quality. And then lastly, we're focusing on regional connectivity, because we strongly believe that if Tajikistan has better trading opportunities with its neighboring countries and elsewhere in the world, that again would improve the economic growth prospects of Tajikistan.